Hello guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. I just want to say we cannot but be wealthy. Just want to say thank God for cryptocurrency to have come in our time. This is the only opportunity that you and I can leverage on and be very rich. I repeat, I'm stressing and I'm emphasizing on very rich. Some people took this opportunity some time ago and they are multi-billionaire with Bitcoin. They were able to buy at least 1,000 coin of Bitcoin, and by now you know a coin of Bitcoin is $11,700 as of today. Multiply that by the number of coin they bought then. I'm about to open your eyes to another one. That was how Bitcoin started. I've analyzed it, I've seen it. Well, I cannot keep it to myself because this is cryptocurrency. I just have to let you guys to know about it. I don't have affiliate link, I don't need it. And I'm going to go straight to the point now. First and foremost, go to changely.com/blog. Now, this is a place where you can actually exchange any Bitcoin. You can exchange your Monero to Bitcoin. You can exchange your Bitcoin to Ethereum direct. You know, it's verified. It's worldwide known, as in it's well known. So it cannot be contested. You can do your own, and what is it called? Your own research about this, okay? So let me just go down straight. And now, the coin I'm about to invite you to is Verge coin. Have you heard about it? And this is just the symbol. XVG. This is the symbol. How does it work? Now, what is Verge coin? Let me quickly take you to where I will be showing you one or two things. Okay? Now, this is Coin Market. And it's already listed in Coin Market. Okay? Here. This is Verge under the Coin Market. You can see what they've been able to garner this week. 28.72%. And again, why BTC increased by 18, they have increased by 28. Okay, now the market capitalization, the volume. Sorry, I'm a stammerer, but it doesn't matter. So let's just scroll down a little bit. Now you can see all-time charts. Look at where it started from $0. It rose very fast. In April, but look at where we are now. Look at the peak of where this market got to, $0.007. Okay, you can see where it has really risen to. Though it fell, but quickly came up. Okay, this is the price against USD and the price against BTC. Now, let's look for the last 1 month. You cannot see it actually risen from what it was before. It went up. Last 3 months, you will see this coin has been rising. Look at it, has been rising from where it was. Okay. And you see this little chart, how it came up, right? Good. So without much ado, you can also check the historical data under the coin market. 30% over time against the USD and 20% over time against BTC. So in this case, what is the current value of this Verge coin? Come to their main sites here, and no, go to Changely and click how to exchange Verge on Changely. There is a thing I'm still going to show you how to get it quickly done on your mobile, just the same way as I did now, and I bought 3,800 Verge coin just with $30. So now let me just quickly scroll down. Let me scroll down. Yeah, okay. Now, I will scroll down to, I think I did it now. I wouldn't want to click. Maybe I should just click. You can see on Even Changely, after the Bitcoin Gold, Verge is the next. Okay, so now let's just click on it and see how we can get it done pretty fast. What do you need? How much are you expecting to get? This is it. Now, this is the tutorial. I want to get it done live. So I just did it now live on my mobile phone. I wouldn't want this tutorial. I want it done live. But before then, you go to Changely.com. Then you don't need to sign up on Changely. No, not at all. This is the way I got it done so easily. I went to Verge.com, their main website. Then I downloaded the mobile app. You can see Verge is proud to be listed on the following exchanges. They are on Bittrex and Co. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 22. You can see that they are listed on 22. So from here, all I did was just to click on Changely because I want to make use of Changely. Apart from that, I look at it here. When you click on it directly from that place, it comes here. Then look at it 0. What did I do? Was it 0.3? Yes. Look at 0.0025. How much is you will get 3,768 Verge coin. Okay, Verge coin. Apart from this Jara, you know, Bitcoin also have this Jara, plenty of Jaras like this. You remember? Now, if let's quickly go to Priv.com and see what is 0.0025 worth in Bitcoin. Ctrl Z, go back, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Quickly go to Priv.com now, www.priv.com. When I go to Priv.com, I will be seeing the value of one Bitcoin. It's now at 11,650. But what I'm interested, okay, $30 US. With $30 US, you are going to get a whopping amount of 3,768 Verge coin. If presently Verge coin is at 0.007, you can see how it has quickly risen, 30% growth against the US dollars. So next year, they're expecting it to hit, before next year December, to hit at least $1 US, at worst $1 US. And once it hits $1 US, multiply it by the number of exchanges you have made. If it is $1 US, it means I'm having 3,768. Now, $3,768, that's what it means. And you know what that means in your currency. Okay? 3,768. You know what it means in your currency. So now, how do you really get it done? Good. Go to the main website of Verge.com, as in here. Then you scroll down. You will see, okay, look at the merchants, the vendors that accept this Verge. You can see that there are more of them, even more than the exchangers. Okay. Now, the wallets, different type of wallets are here. I went straight to mobile, and I also got out of desktop. Mobile, I downloaded this. I just clicked on it directly here, and what did it do? It located my phone automatically. It downloaded automatically on my phone. Look at it, already installed. Okay, and you'll be asked to select during the registration. You'll be asked to select the coin you wanted. I selected Bitcoin. I selected Verge coin. I selected select Bitcoin and Vergecoin at least. So the next thing is for you to transfer at least $30 into your Bitcoin from this wallet here. Click on Bitcoin and deposit at least $30. After you have deposited $30 to this Coinomi mobile app, you deposit, you click on Bitcoin on your mobile Coinomi wallet to get your deposit Bitcoin wallet address. Transfer at least $30. I transferred $36. Transfer at least the money you want to buy. Transfer it to, you can even buy as small as $10. Okay, so transfer at least any amount you want to buy to this Coinomi wallet via your Bitcoin. Then when you now go to menu, you click on menu, you will see Changely. Click on Changely immediately and you will see the interface. It will change. The interface will change and you will see something like this. It will tell you to input what you want to change. Here you can change anything from Changely. Look at from BTC, Ethereum, Monero. So those of you who have mined Monero, you can actually convert your Monero to Bitcoin here and sell your Bitcoin. So Changely is actually a website to really look out for. Look at it here. Changely.com/blog. You see everything here. Vergecurrency.com. Then the coin market currency for Verge. You see it here. I think I've been able to do justice to this. Under the Changely also, let me go down. You can see Steam, Ripple, Ether Classic, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Phantom Coin, Steam Dollar, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin. You know, just name it. It's endless. You see that? So guys, it's high time you and I woke up from our slumber. It's high time you and I woke up from our sleep. Let's make so much money. Let's invest for tomorrow so that our children's children will be happy that yes, my father, my forefather, my great forefather, my great grandfather actually done something great for us. Okay? So guys, once again, Odeyemi is my name. If you are finding it so difficult, just hit me up. I'm always at your service just to help you. Thank you very much. I will remain loyal always. Hit me up, shut me up, and I will always be here to help you. God bless you. Keep making money. Once again, MMBM for life. Money must be made.